Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this lecture we are going to start the concept of area of rectangle. As in previous lecture I taught you about the area. Now it will be easy for you to calculate the area of rectangle. So open your booklet, page number 69. Topic is area of rectangle. So let's start. What is area? As area is amount of surface a shape covers, that is called area. To calculate the area of rectangle we use the formula. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. Width or breadth, you can use the both words. So the formula to calculate the area of rectangle is length multiplied by width. As there are two basic sides of the rectangle, one is the length and second is the breadth. So in the rectangle there are two lengths and two breadths. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So to calculate the area we use this formula, length multiplied by width. Very simple, just multiplication of two numbers, length and width. Example is done for you. What is the example? Calculate the area of this given rectangle. Now in this figure, as you can see, one rectangular figure is shaded. The shaded part of this rectangle actually shows the area. The shaded part of this rectangular figure actually shows the area. Space covered by this rectangular shape is called area. So what is the length of this rectangle? Length is 9 meter and the width is 2 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 small unit boxes, square boxes. So the length is 9 meter and width is 1 and 2 meter. So to calculate the area of rectangle we use the formula length multiplied by width. Both are given. So length is 9 meter and width is 2 meter. Multiply the both. 9 meter multiplied by 2 meter. 9 2s are 18. Meter and meter mean meter square, 2 times meters. As I told you in the introduction of the area that the unit of the area will be in squares. So 18 meter and square. The 2 at the top of this meter is actually read as square. You can also read it square meter or you can read it meter square. Both are correct. Very simple procedure to calculate the area of rectangle. Just multiply the length by width. One more example is already done for you. Second example. What is the second example? What is the area of this rectangle? Again rectangle is given. Length is 5 meter and the width is 4 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the width is 1, 2, 3, 4. The shaded portion inside this rectangle is actually the area, space covered by this closed figure. As length is 5 centimeter, width is 4 centimeter. So area is length multiplied by width. L for length, W for width. So 5 centimeter is the length multiplied by 4 centimeter width. So area is 5 4s are 20 and centimeter square or meter you can use them. And why we are using the square over here? Because the units of the area are in squares. Okay, so very simple examples which have been already done for you over here. Now after these examples I will solve one more example for you, that how to calculate the area of rectangle. You can also understand the concept by these examples because this method is very easy, but I will also solve one more example for you. Okay, so let's start the example. Okay, in this example one rectangle is given. You have to calculate the area of the rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 8 meter. The width of the rectangle is 6 meter and you have to calculate the space covered by this figure, area, that is called area. So to calculate the area of this rectangle, as I told you, there is a formula. Area is equal to length multiplied by width. So you should just know about the length and width, then you can easily calculate the area. Let's start the example. What is the length? Length is equal to 8 meter. This one is the length and this one is the width, and the width is, width or breadth, you can use the both words. Width is equal to 6 meter. So what is the formula? Formula is length multiplied by width. You can use the just letters to represent the length and width. Now write the values of the length. What is the length? 8 meter. Multiply by what is the width? 6 meter. So 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48 meter square or square meter. That is our answer. So the area of the rectangle is 48 meter square or square meter. Very easy and very simple. Just you should know the length and width of the given rectangle, then you will just multiply the length by width, then you can easily calculate the area of the rectangle. Okay, now come to your booklet, page number 70, and exercise. Page number 70 and exercise is given. Different examples are here. According to the given instructions, find out the area of following rectangles. In some examples only length and width is given, and in some examples figure is given. You have to identify the length and width by yourself. So write down the formula in each example and then solve the examples by yourself. For any problem, watch the video or you can ask me. Okay, thank you.